everyone, welcome back. If the CIBC app is stuck on loading screen, first wait for a few seconds in case the server is slow. If that does not load, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, then close it completely. Wait for a few seconds and then reopen it. After that, check your internet connection. First, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, then only make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then disable any VPN or ad blockers if you're using any. If the issue continues, go ahead and open your app store, search for the app and update it. Updating the app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Once updated and reopen the app should normally load again past the loading screen. And that's it. Subscribe